YouTube. It's Isaac with Isaac's Trades. Let's check out a little fuel cell. Well, I guess first let's start with this is going to be my first time doing technical analysis and chart analysis, I guess. Something like that. Alright, well, let's look at fuel cell. I noticed looking at fuel cell, we had a little bit of a W. What do they call it? Head and shoulders. George W. I don't know, I've been hearing all kinds of different things out there going on YouTube nowadays. But if you, what was it? If I came out into the 30-minute one, yeah, 30-minute one. You notice we have this little cluster of support building up right here. Looking at the charts, you can notice, you can see, I mean, we were at 28 back in, well, yeah, back right around the GameStop fiasco happened, which, yes, I have a couple shares in GameStop, and like 3 options on AMC. This is my Thinkorswim account, which I think I got like through $2 grand, 1,800 in here. This one's about 3 weeks old. Yeah, looking at fuel cell, looks like it is getting ready to run up again. I've kind of noticed with these EVs, I mean, I've been watching the stock market for quite a while. I've noticed with these electric vehicle companies, they'll run up every 3 months, 2 months, and then come down 2-3 months, and run it up again for 2-3 months. It looks like we're right after the cooling off period. Who else was there? I was going to check out Plug Power. Plus we have Biden's infrastructure, $2.something trillion. He says something about hydrogen. That's all we need to hear, I guess. I mean, it's new technology. I don't really expect hydrogen to go anywhere big for another 15 years if we're lucky. Maybe 8 with how fast we've been moving, but it ain't gonna happen right away. I mean, we got 2 companies, Plug and Fuel Cell. Fuel Cell's been around forever. Plug don't look good. It looks almost identical to fuel cell. It looks pretty much identical. Just a little bit uglier. This thing right here was too much. Yeah. I can see Plug rounding up another 100%, maybe 300%. Check out Idex. I think I accidentally jumped in Idex. Yeah, I have this one. I picked up like 300 shares. Like 289, I believe it was. I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out how to use Thinkorswim. But IDX looks like it is getting ready to pop again. It's had all these spikes every like 3 or 4 months. We're getting ready. I would say probably in another month or 2 we'll be back up at $10, $6. think that's all I got for tonight on these hydrogen companies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you guys are looking at, what you guys think of this video.